Alright, and this problem tells you write an expression that represents the table. So I can just go figure out the difference if there is one. So I have a +2 here. And that might be kind of confusing for you, so you could even write extra numbers in here, such as 3 and 5. That would be +1. That's what you're kind of used to, right? So that would be +1, +1, +1, +1. And if you fill in the numbers on this side as well, you'll notice that they're just counting by ones. Did you guys see that? +1, +1, +1, +1. So your first common difference here, first common difference, and because we have a first common difference, this is linear, quadratic, exponential, or neither? Linear. Okay. Now, that's not the answer because it says write an expression, right? So let's go backwards. What would our x coordinates be? If I went backwards, 1, and this would be 9. And if you went back one more, 0 and 8. Okay, we did that because if I know that it's linear, 0 and a number is my y-intercept. So in here, there's my y-intercept. You see it? 0, 8. So 8 is my y-intercept. And my slope is my common difference. Let me color code that for you. So 0, 8 is our y-intercept. And our common difference is our slope. So my expression could be something like x plus 8. We don't have to write the 1. Or if you wanted it fancier, you can write y equals 1x plus 8. Raise your hand if you got that one. So notice how I'm using my graphic organizer. If you don't need it, great. Question number 2. Which one is it? Well, again, if you don't like this, this is a horizontal table. You could just turn it to be a vertical. So you could, if you wanted to, you could write all the values again. 1/2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. And I recognize that they are adding 1 over here. And if you were wondering from your previous math class why this is always the 1, because what's happening over here is, remember, that's your slope. This is really a rise over 1 over 1. Do you see it? Yeah. Let's just say we didn't count by 1s. Let's say we counted by 2s from 10 to 12. That was a +2 in the original problem. And this is also a +2. Do you see how it's the same?
Yeah.
So on this problem, I have a fraction. Let's just say you're scared of the fraction. You could probably skip it. Mr. Ng, you can do that? Yeah, it's okay. You can look at the rest of your values. Class, are we adding here? Can we add 1? Okay, so it's not a common difference. Okay. Now, you could look at it. I'll show you why it wouldn't work. This is 1. And here, adding 2. And it is important to actually write your plus or multiplication signs. That's +4, +8, and +16. Class, do we have a first common difference?
No.
No. Is it linear?
No.
No. Let's try the second common difference. +1, +2, +4, +8. Class, do we have a second common difference? No. So it's not linear and it's not quadratic. Do you see that? Now let's try multiplication. What can I do to go from 1 to 2? Times 2. How about here? Times 2. How about here? Times 2, times 2, times 2. So if it's all times 2, then it is... Okay, someone recognize that's geometric. That means you have a ratio of 2. Is it exponential or neither? Ah, R value. See it?
Yeah.
Geometric is exponential. So our answer is this one. So take a look at all the clues that you have, and that can help you.
Love math. You don't love math? What's wrong with you?